Good morning. Such a sunny day outside today. Sunny, but not quite warm yet. I'm on my way to go get some free fabric. I have sourced yet somewhere else to get some free fabric. This is twice now. I'm really happy. Who's going to say no to free fabric? This actually looks a bit more like yardage than scraps. So I'm off to go get it. I'm actually swapping some lemons. So I'm just going to get them out of my pocket. I have a lemon tree and it's just... I'm pulling them out of my pocket if you wonder what I'm doing. I've got a lemon tree that's so full of lemons they're dropping off and just rotting. So I just said to them, can I just give you some lemons? Would you want some lemons? And she's like, yeah, okay, cool. I'm like, how many? Do you want a bucket full? She goes, no, just a few. So, all right, so I'm going to go swap them for some fabric. But no, this is free fabric. So I'm just adding that lemons in because, like, it's just nice to get something for free, but it's also nice to give something back because it encourages people to keep giving, doesn't it? So my lemons are now on the chair and I'm going to go get them. Whew. Okay. Sun shining. I take it back about it not being warm. It's warm. I had to walk down the longest driveway in the history of longest driveways. And now I'm hot. But now I have a big box of fabric, which is really cool. And they even threw some zips in there. So let's go home and check it out. Oh! Check this out. Woo! One cooler box. You're not an adult if you like boxes, right? So let's have a look. Okay, let's bring you down. So I don't know what it is. I don't know what kind of fabric. It was just free fabric. So actually this looks like bunting. Okay, serious Christmas bunting. Oh my gosh. Yes. Well, I don't think one, you can never have too much bunting, and two, I don't actually have any Christmas bunting. So awesome. Look, they're like koalas and gum nuts and a platypus. Oh, just, yes. Oh my gosh. My kids are gonna love that. And it was free. Oh, do you want to know how I got it? Yeah, that would be helpful. That would be helpful. This is like a nice little patchwork piece. So I'm going to link up the top here how I first sourced my free fabric. And then I'll tell you how I sourced this free fabric. So I'm going to put that with... Oh, can you hear the dog? Oh, something's going on. I'm going to put that in my quilting stash. This is possibly linen. Maybe linen or canvas. Oh, something's going on outside. The dogs are barking. So that's a scrappy piece. That might be good for a bag, a bottom of a bag. So I'll make a bag pile. Some more like quilting. Oh, goodness me. Can you hear the dog? Something exciting is going on. Anyway. She gets excited when there's dogs outside. She's not one of those dogs that barks at people walking past, unless they sort of loiter. So that kind of goes with that one. Look. So 2 quiltings. This one. Oh, it's like an Aboriginal style fabric, fish and things. So my son might like this one. This is quite a big piece. So they've made something from it. Not quite big enough for like a pair of shorts, but match it with something, and I reckon we could possibly make a pair of cool shorts. Millie, why don't you come in? Come on in. That's going to stop the barking. All right, so I'm going to put that possibly into clothing pile. Oh, and I've got some of this. This is cool. This is thicker bag, linen type canvasy stuff that goes in the bag type linen-y canvasy pile. This is like a, I don't know, thick calico. It's actually quite a lot here. Check this out. That's double. That's like a bag. That's gonna make a tote bag out of that. That goes in the bags pile. Some Japanese. Here, do you want to just see my pile? Did I even show you my pile? It's right here, and it goes all the way down to the table. Okay, so like Japanesey style. So I might actually ask my son, because he might like the blues, because you know that he might want to increase his yarn stash. Yarn, yeah, this is yarn fabric. Oh, this has got some nice texture on it. So I don't know, we'll put it in a texture pile. And this is more of the canvasy stuff, so that goes in the canvasy pile. And this is corduroy. It's got like a, I don't know, it's corduroy. I don't think it's flannelette. Oh look, it's a cotton jersey. Oh, it's stretchy. Okay, so this can go in the clothing. Actually, do you know what this would be good for? Is I'm starting a new business, and one of the things I can use is cotton jersey, so that can go in my business pile. Wait till I tell you about my business, but I'm not quite at that stage yet. It's still, I'm going to make a product and sell a product, and there's a lot of there's a lot of testing and deciding and so many decisions before I get to a point where I can actually start to make and then promote and sell. But that can go in that pile there. Okay, this feels linen-y. Look at this. This is so pretty. This feels like linen, and it's very, very, very pretty. So do I have a linen pile? I'll put it in the bag pile. Oh, look. He's so cute. And there's like half a meter here, maybe. There's two rectangles. It is so cute. Oh my gosh. So it's got, what does it say? It doesn't got information about what it is. It's sort of thickish, it's cottonish, could be clothing-ish. Put it in the could be clothing-ish pile. Oh, you think you get over a nice pretty piece, and then you get another nice pretty piece. Check that out. I like that. Oh, do I need to put the light on? There we go. Okay, is that better with the light? I don't know. Now this is, oh, the dog's gone under my legs. This is pretty. Kind of linen-y. Put it in the kind of maybe linen-y pile. Hi, Millie. What are you doing? Come here. I'll show you the dog. Come here, come here, come here. Yeah, and this is Millie. Good girl. You're a good girl. Yes, yeah. You say, look over here. Look. Oh, you've got dirty feet. All right, hop down. Thank you for the cuddle. That is... now I'm dirty. Millie. Okay, this is soft. And she's gone under my feet again. Maybe it's linen. I've got some smaller pieces here. Oh my gosh, this is kind of like, you could make a dress out of it. How much is there? Let's have a look. Oh, hello, you could make a top, I reckon. There's a whole bunch. Okay, that's going to be a top. For me, that's how much is there. I'm plus size. It's on the dog. Give it back to me. All right, and there's some, just wind all the scrappy bits. All right, that could be a top for me. Go, no, you're not going to eat it. Come out of the way. Thank you. And, oh, some Velcro. That's always helpful. So, or hook and loop tape, one should call it. Put that in the texture pile. Okay, this is cute. I wonder if this would go with that. Does that and that go? Maybe? Could do. Put that in the possible clothing pile. And now, oh, she's asking us to put some zips in she had. So this is an open end zip. And this is, oh, 2 open end zips. So what length for a jacket? No, don't eat it. Possibly 2 jackets. There we go. Remember, get your head out. Come over here. Thank you, babe. All right, put them in the texture pile because they're zips. All right, I think this is the same fabric as before, is it? The gumnut babies. So where's my gumnut babies? Here. Okay, so we've got more gumnut babies. So that could be a pair of cute shorts. Could be a very cute skirt for my daughter. Okay, so we've got some thicker textured stuff here. Kind of like a canvasy type thing. I'll put that in the bag pile. This definitely feels like linen. Oh, this is nice. So there's not a lot here, but this is also linen. So you could patchwork this and this together. And you could also patchwork this green into it as well. So that's 3 pieces of patchworky, and this is a slightly different texture. We'll put them in the possibly patchwork together pile. Okay, so we've got some more of the, I don't know, I'm going to call this Japanesey style fabric scrap, possibly for my son. This is like suiting almost. My son might like that too. Put that in the quilting thing because with quilting, there's a dog under my legs again. She gets stuck under the table. Some more quilting type stuff. And blues. It's quite a big piece. That's like a small, I didn't fold it all the way out, just so you know. This matches that piece there, so I'll just you know, like do that and put it in the middle of that piece. Here's some more of this one. A few pieces of that now. I'll put them together. Oh, that one is the same, but it's got a blue back. Oh, interesting. That would make a very good pouch because you don't have to line it. And this is cute. That's a thread. Let's try that again. Some cute stuff there. More patchworky. Okay, we've got some more of that. Some similar style that's just like weird scrap shapes. And oh, this looks like a fat quarter of it. That goes in that pile. I think my son would definitely like this stack. And this is, oh, there's a little piece of scrap there. And this is kind of like a coarser linen, but could go with these. All right, so we could get a top out of the patchworky and the beigey, camel color. We could get a top of that. Oh, and there's some bias binding. So that's like a top. Then you got like a skirt for my daughter, which is the gumnut fabric. And I would patch these two together. I think that would look really cute. I'm thinking maybe shorts for my son. This is possibly a top for me. Now that's saying something. Like I said, I'm plus size, so that's like a big width. Possibly a dress for someone that was skinnier. So how many is that? It's 1, 2, 3, 4 items of clothing that I'll be able to sew for free. Bias binding and zips, 2 zips and some textured fabric. And then we've got this stack of like quilting style stuff, which I know my son is going to be like, ooh, yes, please. So I'm going to keep that one separately. Now these are the ones that they're a little bit thicker, which would be good for bag making. I like that one. What's up, Millie? You can't get in the bin. And then this one is cotton jersey, which would be good for my business, so I'm going to put that in my business pile, which actually just happens to be on the side, so I'm going to pop it there. And then hello Christmas bunting. Yes, right, perfect. Now how did I get all this flea fabric? How did I get all this free fabric? You're asking me. Telling you, it's this easy. Facebook, not the marketplace. Not the marketplace. People who try to give away fabric on the marketplace tend to put a price on it, and then maybe they jack the price up, and you don't tend to get bargains on Facebook marketplace. Not around where I am anyway. But this is in a local community group someone has set up in my local area, and it's called it's a community sharing group. It's one of those like giveaway. She's whining. It's kind of a giveaway barter. Has anyone got this? I want, I can exchange it for some lemons. Do you know what I mean? And hang on, let's see the dog. Do you want to see the dog? Because she's cute. So this is Millie. So that is where I've got it from. So someone actually put a post up saying anyone wants a free fabric, and she put very specific things. She'll check at night just to see who she's going to choose, sort of thing, and when she wants it done by. And a lot of people were it's funny, a lot of people commented saying, yes please, yes please, yes please, I'll DM you, I'll send you a message, I can pick it up today. And I'm like, well, I'm actually going to read the description of what she said, and then I'm going to answer in response to that, because it was also like everyone was asking for the fabric because, you know, it's awesome. So I said I can pick it up on the day that the day that she suggested. I live in the same suburb as you, so it's easy to get. And then I replied back to my comment to make my comment stand out a little bit more. And I replied back to my comment saying, I've also got a whole bunch of lemons on my lemon tree. Would you like some lemons? And I got it. So always join your local community giveaway groups and give away stuff. Don't just take stuff. Give us stuff away as much as you can, because then you tend to get a little name in there. So I'm always giving stuff away. Follow the instructions. It's very important to follow instructions. If someone says a certain thing and you don't follow it, then you're not going to get picked, are you? Because I know this because I choose people who is going to get my stuff. You know, like I'm giving away this box lid. You can only collect it on Thursday, sort of. And then people are like, oh yeah, I can collect it today. Oh, can you drop it off? Like, but no, you want someone to collect it on Thursday. Like, do you mean you got to read what the people are saying, and then respond accordingly. And then I know it sounds weird, but I tried to bribe with lemons and it worked. So, and I got rid of some lemons because my lemons are crazy. So that is another way to source free fabric. And I know it sounds simple, but look, I've just got all this stuff here that I can now make clothing out of, give to my son, make Christmas happier, all for free. And you can't sneeze at free. Do you know what I mean? So give us a thumbs up if you got this far. Even better, you must subscribe to my channel. Go on, it'll make my day as much as this bunting fabric has made my day. All right, thanks for watching. See ya.